In this video, I will show you how to use Dezor browser app for live TV. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do first is open up the Play Store on your device, or of course the App Store if you're on an iPhone. Now what you want to do is use the search box and just go ahead and search for Dezor on the Play Store or the App Store. And what you want to do is click onto this one here, which is Dezor TV. So what you need to do is press onto the app and then press the install button to go ahead and install this onto your device. So once the app has finished installing, just go ahead and press the blue open button to open up Dezor on your device. What it's going to do is give you a quick walkthrough of what to do, so you can just come and press done in the bottom right hand corner. And it's going to take you across to a screen like this. So what you can now do is go ahead and watch TV. As you can see, we got the channels live TV section down here. So you just need to press onto this icon to expand. You can see all the current channels you can watch. So if you want to watch any of these, you just want to press onto the one that you want to watch. And as you can see, we can also use the app to watch different films and content. There's a search box at the top, so we can actually use the search box up here to search for different content. And that is a quick tutorial on how to use the Dezor app browser for live TV. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.